Hi, my name is Akash, and I've been facing the issues of water hardness since 5 years. And all my taps and all my bathroom floors were all scaled by hard water, and I could clearly see the scaling everywhere around the vessels in whichever vessel we stored the water. So around 2 months ago, I had Vidhanji install Purity Hub water softener, 75 liter resin. So after that, I've been using the soft water since like 2 months, and the results are very clear. All my bathroom floors and vessels and taps, they're all cleared out, and I've seen visible difference in my skin and hair while using my soft water. So yeah, I like Purity Hub. Heads up.